Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into Gobuster, an essential tool in web security testing. You'll learn what Gobuster is, how it operates, and how to practically apply it to uncover hidden files and directories on web servers. Gobuster is an open-source tool used for directory and file brute forcing. It is often employed by security professionals, ethical hackers, and penetration testers to discover hidden files and directories on a web server or other web-based applications. Gobuster essentially performs a directory traversal attack, systematically attempting to find and access files and directories that may not be linked directly from a website's homepage but are still hosted on the server. Key features and uses of Gobuster include 1. Directory brute forcing. Gobuster can be configured to attempt a wide range of directory and file names on a web server, helping to identify potentially sensitive or hidden content. 2. Fast and efficient. It's designed to be fast and efficient, allowing testers to scan for hidden resources quickly. 3. Customizable word lists. Users can specify their own word lists or use built-in word lists to optimize the scan for their specific needs. 4. Dub methods. Gobuster supports different HTTP methods like GET and POST, which can be helpful in scenarios where different methods are needed to access resources. 5. Status code filtering. Users can filter the results based on HTTP status codes to focus on specific types of content. Help command will guide you about the flags or commands that Gobuster supports. Go to the folder where you stored your word list